Introducing the all-new NordicTrack Space Saver Plus with Stride Select. The fast, easy way to change the shape of the stride and the focus of the resistance. In the short stride, you tone your thighs while getting a great calorie-burning aerobic workout. In the medium stride, you sculpt and shape your hips, abs, and core, all while keeping your heart rate in the fat-burning zone. In the long stride, you lift your rear, lean out the back of your legs, and smooth away the cellulite. The NordicTrack Space Saver Plus also has onboard iFit technology. You just pop in a workout and follow along. The Space Saver Plus elliptical also has an MP3 dock and built-in sound system. And only the NordicTrack Space Saver Plus has this one-step fold-up and roll-away design. Call or go online now and find out how you can bring it into your home for payments as low as $33. You'll also receive the complete NordicTrack Weigh Less in Just 8 Weeks program and one Total Body iFit workout card. Together, they have a value of over $75, but they're yours free if you call and order now.